Check out this 3D animation I created using AI depicting my transformation into Superman and his flight. We can achieve this extraordinary transformation with a single AI tool. Introducing Wondershare Virbo, a groundbreaking AI-powered video creation platform poised to unlock your inner superhero. I'm not going to waste your time, so let's dive right in. Begin by locating a clear, high-resolution photo of yourself. The higher the image quality, the more realistic and impressive the final result will be. Ideally, choose a photo with a neutral expression and a clear view of your face. Now, navigate to the Virbo website. Log into your account, or if you're new to Virbo, create a free account to get started. Once logged in, locate the AI avatar video feature within the platform. Click on AI generation, then upload an image, and select the photo you've prepared. This is where the true magic begins. Let's unleash your creativity with compelling text prompts. Experiment with different descriptions, focusing on the desired superhero aesthetic. Perhaps you envision yourself as Superman fighting bad guys, or perhaps you prefer the flying part of Superman. The possibilities are truly limitless. And if the initial results don't perfectly align with your vision, don't worry. Fine-tune the prompts to achieve the precise look and feel you desire. Experiment with different keywords, adjust the level of detail, and explore various artistic styles. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, download the video and prepare to be amazed. Witness the incredible transformation of your image into a captivating video that showcases your inner superhero. Let us view the results. And if you don't enjoy being Superman, don't worry, explore other exciting possibilities. You could embody the fierce Wolverine, swing into action as Spider-Man, or embrace the enigmatic Batman. Feel free to experiment with your favorite superhero characters and see what incredible transformations you can achieve. And if you're ready to unleash your inner filmmaker, whether you're a social media whiz looking to captivate your audience, a website owner wanting to add a touch of magic, or a presenter aiming to leave a lasting impression, Wondershare Virbo is your secret weapon. And just a little secret, all the dynamic B-rolls you just saw in this video were created using Virbo itself. That's the power of AI at your fingertips. If you're inspired to get creative with AI, I highly recommend giving Wondershare Virbo a try. Lastly, if you found this video helpful, show some love by liking and subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest AI-powered creativity tips. Now, the big question, which superhero are you eager to transform into first? Share your ideas in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and let your imagination soar.